Now let's take a look at the Global Markets module, one of the most important sections in Finestrum for understanding macro conditions across regions. This view helps you understand where global capital is flowing, how risk is priced across markets, and how that context affects crypto and short-term trading decisions. From the left sidebar, click on Global Markets. This section sits right below the main dashboard and gives you a cross-market macro overview, combining equities, volatility, currencies, and risk sentiment into one unified view. At the top of the screen, you'll see the global macro snapshot. This area summarizes the current global environment using 4 key dimensions: risk tone, whether markets are in risk-on or risk-off mode; volatility, showing how stable or unstable conditions are; USD pressure, measuring dollar strength or weakness; recommended bias, a directional suggestion based on all signals combined. This gives you an immediate macro-level read before diving into details. Below the global snapshot, the dashboard is divided into 3 major regions: US, Asia, and Europe. Each region is analyzed independently, but within the same framework. In the US section, you'll see a confidence score that reflects how strong and consistent current signals are. Below that, key drivers such as volatility, major indices, and correlation metrics help explain what's driving price behavior. This allows you to quickly understand whether the US market is supporting risk-taking or signaling caution. Next is the Asia region. Here you can see how markets like Japan, China, and South Korea are performing, along with volatility and currency influence. This is especially useful for understanding overnight sentiment and how Asian sessions may influence European or US opens. On the right side, we have Europe. This section shows how European indices and volatility measures are behaving, helping you gauge whether Europe is acting as a stabilizer or a source of momentum for global markets. Each region includes a score at the bottom. These scores summarize the overall pressure, positive or negative, based on multiple internal signals. They're designed to give you fast directional clarity without needing to analyze dozens of charts. Below the regional overview, you'll find the crypto bias section. This connects traditional markets with crypto-specific indicators such as trend strength, moving average alignment, market capitalization momentum, volatility compression or expansion. Together, these signals help determine whether crypto is positioned for continuation, consolidation, or potential reversal. At the bottom, you'll find the trading window summary. This section tells you whether current conditions support active trading or suggest patience. It highlights clarity, volatility conditions, and overall opportunity quality, helping you avoid forcing trades when the environment isn't supportive. The Global Markets module is designed to be your context layer. Before entering any trade or analyzing individual assets, this view helps you answer 3 critical questions. Is the broader market supporting risk or avoiding it? Which region is currently driving momentum? Does the environment favor trend following or caution? Once you have that context, you can move confidently into deeper analysis using the rest of the platform. This is the Global Markets module, a high-level intelligence layer that turns global complexity into actionable clarity. It helps you stay aligned with macro conditions, reduce emotional decisions, and trade with structure and confidence.